everyone, today is a gloomy day. So tomorrow we are going to Rampurya, which is Appa's birthplace, and he's very excited to take me and Sajal to see his birthplace. Mami, kanga ko? Kasko sasurali? Amako.
Sasurali त Lamahatta हो.
Rampuria पनि खास त.
कसरी
बादमा पो Lamahatta आको त. तपाईहरु
Rampurya कति टाढो हो?
छमेलदेखिको 2 किलोमिटर.
Rampuria sounds very far away, but it's actually in
बाटो बीचमा जंगलको.
So we've entered Rampuria, and now Appa and Ani, they are recollecting their memories, Rampuria ko memories.
यो छाडछाडी.
Collecting grass.
Collecting grass. Eda.
Collecting fodder.
This is the entry of Rampuria.
Sana
Ooh, Rampuria is full of waterfalls, right? Oh my god, so pretty. This is the fourth waterfall we're seeing on route.
मेमेको होमस्टे पुग्यो.
यता पनि बस्नु पर्छ नि नि
अनि ठिकै छ. नेटवर्क पनि आयो.
यो माथि मन्दिर. यही हो गाउँ. धेरै जंगल बीचमा गाउँ छ रे.
त्यही त. Welcome to Rampuria, a forest village. Appa is going to show us around. Hello Appa. कस्तो लागिराख्छ तपाईलाई?
हेलो, एकदम दामी.
दामी, खुसी?
आफू जन्मेको ठाउँ घुम्नु फेरि आउँदै छु. बुहारी लिएर. यो जमिनहरु सबै हाम्रै थियो पहिला. बाटोको.
Appa त धनी थिएछ नि. And we are visiting Appaको अब पहिलाको फ्यामिलीहरु. If you can see. Oh, it's fine. के देख्छ? Sinchel. So this is a village in the middle of a forest, and it's a permanent village. That's what it's called.
सबै आक्छ हामी.
That's चाहिँ पुबुङ हो? त्यो चाहिँ मेरो सासू आमाको गाउँ. Okay. So Appaको गाउँ चाहिँ यहाँ थिएछ हैन?
यो पनि हो, उयो गाउँ पनि हो.
Appaको गाउँ चाहिँ यहाँ थिएछ हो. अनि आमाको गाउँ चाहिँ त्यहाँ थिएछ. And त्यसरी लभ स्टोरी स्टार्ट भएको अरे. यताबाट कराउँथ्यो अरे Appa. सलिना भन्दै कराउँथ्यो अरे है Appa.
होला कराको सुन्नु कि कत्रो चाहिँ होला खरा.
खोला पनि छ त्यहाँ?
डर लाग्छ कराको सुन्न न.
कलिङमा त उयो कौलाको रुख छ नि.
हजुर.
हो त्यसकै माथि.
Appaको घर.
योहरू डल्लै हाम्रो त थियो त्यति बेला. योहरू उहाँदेखिको यसो हो. त्यसले चाहिँ जङ्गल.
हजुर.
ओ त्यहाँसम्म पुग्छ.
त्यस्तो बाक्लो थिएन होला नि त जङ्गल.
किन त्यो झन् बेसी थियो.
बाक्लो थियो हैन नि.
यो डल्लै डाँडा.
Landlord Appa. Such a beautiful flower. Oh my god. As we go up, this place is very close to heaven. You can hear the khola boyeko. Oh, the pines are so pretty there. Inside there's a temple. So there's a very cute homestay here as we scale up. Argentina support gardo raheछ. Rampuria, the place. For me, I literally thought this was a place in like Odisha or somewhere, but it's in Darjeeling. So that is Kalimpong. Now we've reached Mamko Gar, Mamko Maita Gar. So mom and Mimi were neighbors. So Appa's mom and dad were neighbors. There's a lot of weed here. Masta. Not the best shoes to wear. I was actually supposed to wear Crocs. I was thinking of wearing Crocs, but what to do? I thought I would wear kurta, and this is what happened. And this is how I have to walk.
Mamko Ama was also there.
Okay.
Great grandmother.
Great grandmother was here. So now we are here to meet Mamko, brother, elder brother.
Mamko घर. Mamko माइता घर.
मेमे कति पुग्नु भयो तपाईँ
88
88 88
यो किचन त झन् उहिले माम नानी थियो होला हामी त यत्रो थियो त्यो माम पनि नानी हुँदाको होला भनेको नि
So nice.
ठुलो मेमेले भस्काउनु लियोङ दादाले माथि के भत्काउनु दिँदैन
So nice. यस्तो त कहिले भत्काउनु पनि हुँदैन
देख्दैन
अमोइ
हेर्नु क्या हो आएकै थिएन सुरबाट ल्याएको दिन आऊ 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 हजुर
किचन चुला
चुला मामको हामीले पहिला उहिले यही चुलामा पकाएको
अहिले म त
अन्त यही चुलामा
पानी खाएर नि
हामीले पनि तातो पानी चाहिँ रहेछ नि उहिलेको होइन यो अन्त हामीले यहाँ खानेकुरो राख्थ्यौँ होइन हामीले निकाल्दै खान्थ्यौँ के अहिले पनि रहेछ यी थुप्रो
So nice, Ambo. This is so old. It's one of the oldest places I've seen, I think.
बदाम खानु उयो
Badam.
उहिलेको एकदम माटोलाई बिर्सिनु हुँदैन
हजुर
संस्कृति हाम्रो है
यहीँबाट उम्रेको हाम्रो नाचन नातिनी पनि
नाता नातिनीलाई राम्रो आशीर्वाद दिनुहोस्
अहिलेसम्म आशीर्वाद लागेकै छ उहाँ नातिनी पनि त हाम्रो के अरे
नातिनी बुहारी
मायावासको घरको अलिक माथिल्लोपट्टि त बस्छ
हजुर हजुर हो त
उहिले त हिरो हो नि फेरि मेमी
Now we'll go explore Matiko. So here we enter
हमको माइता घर
Mamko Maita Ghar.
हमको भाइ कान्छा ऊ खस्ने ऊ
Oh, so he was a carpenter. He was a big one akare. Mimile. To last in room.
उहिलेको रेडियो पनि रहेछ आएको यो सुन्छ कि अझै पनि
Oh,
ठुलो
radio.
मेमेको रुम
Oh, ठुलो room is
सुन्छ
rich.
उता एउटा
And you see mom go good at it. So cute. So cute. The mom go ama Appa.
कालेबुङ
Pelane ko continue gavyo. Oh, these are figs are Nevara. Nevara. Fig. So we are planning to go to the waterfall. Appa wants to take me there, but the road is not that great. So I'm wearing Amma's slipper and headed. Trekking shoes, eh? So Mimi says there's a road and this is the road. Literally had to walk in the edge of glory. But this all belongs to Mimi, I think. Damn.
होइन हिजो त उनीहरूको चेकिङ
Wow, look at the
उनीहरू त
forest.
डिलक्स
So dense.
आज त डिलक्स रुममा सर्ने हो तिनीहरू त
Sajal was like constantly busy with one of them.
त्यहाँबाट यहाँ
This is all Mimi's jungle. My god, how beautiful is this? I swear. Wow. यहाँबाट चाहिँ पानी उम्रेको रे. And there's a nagthan, like prayer to snakes. You can hear a little bit of water gurgling here, but it's dried now.
असिलो भयो असिलो
So Sajal found something. Something to eat. Okay. Yeah, looks nice. You taste first. These are not poisonous. Boy, छोड़ दो Sajal.
Even if it is what
It's तितो अलिकति सकेर चाहिँ. Okay. In the middle of the forest, can you hear jhaukuri? There's a lot of nom nom here. Nom nom is a sag we eat, so uta pani grow garcha. Oh, hold it. Sajal clearing the road for his queen. Hami hineko dekhi chai, I don't know, it's been about 20 minutes till here today. Mimi is rich. It's rich at heart.
त्यो त हाम्रोमा त्यो बिक्री हुन्थ्यो त्यो बारुद हुन्छ
Nagbeli.
गन पाउडर नाक बेली
It's gunpowder banaune. Wow. But it is so steep. I'm so scared. I can see the waterfall there. I can see the cola and the waterfall. What untouched serenity is this? To be walking above the waterfall was not in my bingo card. I'm so scared. Oh God, have mercy. Okay, we reached the cola. But we are gonna go more, it seems. Okay, haven't we reached? Oh my god. Okay, I'm tired. I got the view, I got my content. Bye bye. So here it is. I mean, we have to go more, but I think this is good enough, I know. Champko boat. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm done. So Mimi is 88 years old and is leading. Oh my god. Fit. I'm more worried about the descent now. Thank you, Appa. Dami na bhayo photo. Bhaisakyo. Dekhe. 3 layers of waterfall there from 1, 2 and 3. But the boss said because it's too scary for me. So this is it. Wow. They want me to go up and up and up, but I know, so I can capture 3 waterfalls in one frame. How amazing is this? This is Rampurya jungle, forest village. So beautiful. Let's remind ourselves to be very blessed and grateful. Anybody who's watching my vlog, may you be blessed by this divine sight. Love you all. Thank you for supporting. Love this place. May good energy go to you guys. So Meme is telling me to take a video of that roof. Where's that very old tree? Oh, golai. Oh, okay. So looks like a very blessed tree. I didn't film my way down because I was too busy focusing. So now we are here to take out juga from our khutta, guys. Here is Memele ropeko rukhharu hare. All these fresh food. We wanted to go to many other places, including a nice riverside, but no time.
You see, there's a body inside. See that? You start from that E.
I've seen this in many colors, but just green is the first one. This is the homestay here. Mimi Argo, if you wanna come. My Sasama is a flower lover, full lover. Appa is getting impatient to Appa hero with the leather jacket. Sunrise unsare. And then it goes this, and now it's sunset. Guy, when there's a quattro chulo.
अहिले यो गाडीले
पहिला गाडी यहाँ घुम्छ घुमेर उता घुम्नु
ल्याएको त्यो गाडी कत्रो खालको गाई अम्बो गाई त अब कत्रो ठुलो गाई
Okay.
अम्बो बदमास गर्ने रहेछ है
Where are we going, baby? Some viewpoint. And the cow there is a little, it's very huge and it's agitating. So, we are here at Tarkola. Oh, okay. So, देखियो क्या चाहिँ अघि हामी माथि गएको waterfall चाहिँ like पुरा merge हुँदा रहेछ and then it becomes a खोला here. It's so wide, crystal.
केप जस्तो मतलब त्यो सुरुङ क्या
यो मैले त्यही त खिचेको त
Oh, Sajal. Skinny jeans उसको दामी.
यो पहिला
त्यहाँ गएको छ त
हैन उ यहाँ पर हो
यो त तैँले नि त्यहाँ खिचेको हो
You can see fragments of the खोला. हजुर.
पहिला त त्यो सिङसेरको टावर पनि देख्यो त हैन
माथि त्यो
टाइगर हिलको मुनि
टाइगर लु त्यो माथि त्यो घुममा भएको
Oh, okay. There's like tiger in there रहेछ नि त. आमाले आफ्नो माइता हेर्दैछ यताबाट. It's such a beautiful बसेको ठाउँ रहेछ. The cow is looking at us. So this is Appa Puspangi पढेको school, primary school. हजुर.
घोडा टेके त्यो ढुङ्गामाथि
हजुर.
त्यो ढुङ्गाले चाहिँ क खहरु लेख्न लाउँथ्यो
Oh, school. I do believe some things very magical can happen when you read a good book. Oh.
अफिस थियो अफिस
यो चाहिँ अफिस थियो
थियो
अन्त क्लास
यता
चाहिँ
चाहिँ हाम्रो क्लास यता
अनि सबै क्लास एउटामै
एउटामा हैन नै एउटामै थियो है हल छ नि त ठुलो हल
ए ठुलो हल
बिचमा
छ
उयो थियो
ए
अन्त भुइँ क्लासहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यत्रो डेस्क राखिदिने भुइँमा बसेर पढ्नुपर्ने अन्त अलिक ठुलो क्लासमा चाहिँ यस्तो यस्तो बन्ची र टेबल त हो
हजुर
अनि यहाँ चाहिँ अफिस थियो क्लास 3 मा उता लगेको लामाहट्टा
क्लास 3 मा चाहिँ लामाहट्टा
3 क्लासमा चाहिँ हेर अहिलेसम्म जस्तोको त्यस्तै छ स्कुल
ओके रामपुरिया फरेस्ट प्राइमरी स्कुल तर भ्यू त है अब डाँडा काँडा देख्दो रहेछ नि त
बिहान देख्छ
बिहान देख्छ डल्लै रेन्ज देख्छ अरे यताबाट Okay, so now we'll have to leave. We've come to the end of Rampuria trip now. Lapchu Kapera in Lapchu and Lemon Tea ending our trip today. We're so tired. Mama, खुसी भएको अरे